Your business website is your own piece of digital real estate. And like any piece of real estate, there's always a little project or two that you can do to make it better. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. It's your website home improvement tip from Super Web Pros. Today's website home improvement tip is to optimize on-page SEO with proper keyword placement. So obviously, if you're trying to gear your website with search engine optimization or SEO, you know that you're taking keywords that you've researched and you're putting them in your text, maybe even the title of your page. But there are other elements that you need to make sure that you're placing those keywords in, such as your URL. Make sure that the name of the page on the URL has some keywords in there for Google to see. Make sure your headers, the smaller kind of title blocks that are helping people skim your content and find what's relevant to them, that those have the keywords that you've researched in there. And even your image alt tags, don't just save your image as an undecipherable list of digits. Make sure that it actually has some keywords in there, so when those bots that Google has are scrolling through looking for relevant content, they can spot that you've got relevant information and put you higher up in their ranking.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel and our blog for more useful tips. And if you're interested in making your small business website the best it can possibly be, come visit us at superwebpros.com.